Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. After completing the explanation of voices and understanding and learning the formulas of three indefinite tense both in active and passive, today we will start the exercise of the three indefinite tense present, past and future. So you will give the heading first, exercise number 1, then top heading, main heading, present indefinite we are doing today. We'll change the active voice into passives. Let's see the sentence. She writes a script. She is our subject. Write first form of verb and a script is our object. So what happened in passive voice? Object will come at the beginning. A script. Then we'll use present helping verb is MR, and here a script is singular, that's why is will write. A script is, then third form of verb written, then preposition by, and then she will be converted into her. A script is written by her. Come to the second one. He takes tea in the morning. Again present indefinite, that's why we'll use present tense helping verb. So what the object is there? He takes tea. Tea is our object, and in the morning is adverb, it is additional, giving you extra meaning to your working. So it will come at the last. Our object is tea because he takes tea. So tea is object here. Tea will come at the beginning. Tea, then present helping verb is, then third form of verb taken, then preposition by, and he will convert it into him. An additional thing will come at the last, in the morning. Tea is taken by him in the morning. Gardeners water the plants. What gardeners do? They water. Action is water. And what's the object? The plants. The object will come at the beginning. The plants, because it is plural, that's why helping verb instead of is we will write are. The plants are, then third form of the verb water, preposition by, and then subject gardeners. The plants are watered by gardeners. Number 4, I decorate the class. What I do, I decorate, and what I decorate? The class. So class is our object. Object will come at the beginning, the class. Then it is singular, that's why helping verb is will be there. Third form of the verb decorated, then preposition by, and then I will convert it into me. The class is decorated by me. Last sentence, we play cricket. Simply we'll write cricket is played by us. Follow the formula and very properly by understanding it, understanding the formulas, then do it by yourself. For more practice, you can get more sentence from part grammar. Next, we'll do the next exercise of past indefinite.